Award winner Clara Coleman was nominated by the Southwestern Pennsylvania Client Consortium. A fundamental principle of the American legal system is that justice must be available to all, not just to those who can afford to pay for it. As a former board member of Pennsylvania Legal Services appointed by the Clients Council of Pennsylvania, Clara Coleman has worked to ensure the doors of Pennsylvania's legal system are open to people and families in poverty who desperately need help with civil legal problems but cannot afford a lawyer. Mrs. Coleman has been vigilant in representing the client community at the state level, often traveling hours by train across the state to participate in important policy discussions. Clara has served on several PLS board committees, including the Training Committee, the Client Services Committee, and the Budget and Finance Committee. Additionally, she served on the search committee for the statewide Director of Technology position. She wanted to ensure statewide technology initiatives would be led in ways that benefit the largest number of low-income people. Clara is committed to helping impoverished families and was appointed to the board of Neighborhood Legal Services Association. She is a member of Central Clients Council and the Client Consortium, which represents the low-income community of the 14 counties comprising the Southwestern Pennsylvania Legal Services Consortium. The Clients Consortium actively holds quarterly client meetings and training events and credits much of its success to the efforts of Mrs. Coleman. She is a retired licensed practical nurse and has remained active in that field, visiting the sick and assisting the elderly. She is a member of the Mount Arret Baptist Church and serves on the Hospitality Committee. Throughout her lifetime, Mrs. Coleman has been very involved in her community, working with family services for over 12 years. In addition, she's done volunteer work at a local prison ministry, the NAACP, the League of Women Voters, AARP, and the Urban League. She routinely helps her neighbors with their problems, sometimes even accompanying them to court hearings. Not only is Clara Coleman the proud mother of 6 children, she is a model client advocate. Through her leadership role at the state and local levels of our statewide legal system, Clara has helped to improve the lives of low-income persons by enabling legal aid to help clients obtain and maintain the basic necessities of life. For her years of service and support of civil legal aid, we are honored to present the 2004 PLS Excellence Award to Clara Coleman.